Okay, so one of my hens is starting to lay an egg. Let's see what's going on. Aurora! Hey girl! Oh. Yeah, she just started laying her first few eggs like about 5 days ago. She's had one every day so far. Aurora! Are you laying the egg? Oh, she's a good girl. You laying the egg? Aurora, did you lay your egg? Not yet. She's laying it. Oh, she laid it. Oh, good girl. You did it. Good job, Aurora. Look at the egg. Oh, she's doing good. Wow, 5 eggs in 5 days. Wow, girl. Okay, that's how they lay eggs. Go see her egg. Meredith? You did it. Now I think they do a bird song. Or I've heard chickens do a bird song after they lay eggs. You did it! Good girl! Aw. You did good, girl.